convert a video into an audio file like MP3, you can use the free app Audio Converter available on the App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the plus sign to add the video you want to convert. You can import the video from either your photo library or the Files app. After selecting the video, tap on the information symbol located on the side of the video entry. From there, choose the option Extract Audio. Now you can choose your desired audio format, such as MP3 or WAV, from the available options. Once you've made your selection, tap on the export symbol and give the audio file a name. The app will start the conversion process, and once it's done, tap on the information symbol again. Select Send Open In, and then click on Save to Files to store the audio file in your Files folder. With these steps, you have successfully converted the video into an audio file. If you need more tutorials for your iPhone, you can find them by clicking here.